Hi, good morning. Sorry, good afternoon. It's me, Josie from Gandabel. I'm actually here in Petworth at the moment, and I'm just gonna film all these leaves, trees that is now changing color because it's now autumn here in basically in England, in London, and Petworth is in basically in West Sussex, and I'm here today, and I'm just gonna quickly film all these beautiful leaves now in autumn. It's autumn time now, and it's so beautiful, it's so lovely. I'm just gonna walk around and film all these leaves. As you can see, they're beautiful, and these leaves all over. I'm just gonna quickly go around because we haven't got much time really, and I just walk around there and film it. And this is one of the highlight of this park, these lovely colors of these trees, and I'm just gonna be walking around here as quickly as I can and film all this lovely tree in this building in here as well. I had to be careful not to walk these are the trees that is really lovely, and because the road, I mean the park is uneven, it's go high up, and it's really uneven road as well, so I just had to be careful walking as well. Walking around here is very tricky. I don't really want to stumble with it. And that one there, but some of them are still actually green at the moment. I can just show you these really lovely trees there on the top in here, surrounded in this tree as well, in this lovely building here as well, in that beautiful tree. And this is now surrounded by I don't know if I can get the selfie here myself. Anyway, I just get all that tree anyway. I walk down here, and I can show you all this lovely tree in here. And I just go around here quickly so I can film that as well. These are some lovely trees that I want to film. That's a Doric temple, that one, they call it Doric temple. I'm just gonna go back here, and I've seen some beautiful trees in here that I want to film. I go back here because I miss this out. I miss out some of this. As you can see, I'm walking around in here because I want to film that one down this road. This is you can actually film this. And there is a lovely color here. I'm just gonna film this quickly. That one there is lovely here. It's a nice red one. It's beautiful. Then I come back to the other side later on. Oh, lovely, that red is so beautiful. This is Ionic rotunda. This is, they call it Ionic. I'm going to the Ionic rotunda. And some of these trees are really beautiful. And I hope you enjoy this. It's amazing color, really amazing color for autumns. Because after just this month, really, when it comes to December, all these leaves are going to disappear and totally bold. They are totally bold. And this is it. I'm just gonna film this red one. That red one is really lovely. I can film that red. That's beautiful, that red. I can film that red one. Lovely red one. love that red one. It's beautiful. This is a lovely park. It's so beautiful. And they got lovely grounds here in Petworth. It's really nice here, especially on summer. Even now, it's winter time, but it's just lovely. All these beautiful trees in here during the autumn, and I just carry on filming this one. And that's a lovely, there's a big branch in here as well. Big branch of trees. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. I'm gonna get back because I think it's going to rain heavy. It's gonna be raining heavy, so I probably end my video in a minute because there is gonna be a lot of rain. Sorry about this. My camera, I had to move it around because we will gonna be caught out by the rain. And, my husband is sitting there. I think I'm gonna end up my video now because unfortunately the rain is coming very soon. This is the problem here in England because all of a sudden the rain is like it's coming now and stop. And that will come back again. I had just to go around quickly here as well because there are some leaves, trees that I miss out here. I just quickly filmed this. This is one of the highlight as well, and this is so gorgeous, gorgeous here. Just gorgeous plants in trees, lovely. And, I hope you enjoy that. And I just come around here and I just show you that red one and that yellow one as well. Oh, they're gorgeous, they're lovely. And here, I just come down here and I show you these trees in here. And they're beautiful. And they're so lovely here. It's just this is the direction This is the place I'm going. I got choice where to go, but this one I'm gonna film. Just gonna film that one. Quickly film this while the rain is not there. I'm actually hungry now, to be honest. I'm so hungry. I'm starving. That's the tree. Well, I'm gonna end my video now. And sorry for my camera. It's always stumbling around at the moment. That's the view. All that leaves is lovely. And I can actually film a bit more down there as well. But I was thinking to stop now because it's gonna be raining soon. And I don't really want to, yeah. And we don't want to be caught out by the rain. Yeah.
And he just says, you know,
Because it's going to come round in a minute. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm gonna end it now. And there's a chair there, and that's a nice one as well. Thank you very much. I'm gonna end up my video now. Bye bye from Gandlaville. It's Josie.